is this?
It's like fork inside. It's like fork inside. Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
Open that shit. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it.
Fuck is this?
You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it.
Wait, guys.
You're gonna love it. Woo, 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 woo.
Come here, motherfucker!
Yo, this is not the best part.
What?
You should see.
What?
You should see under this.
Make me try to buy that poster.
Okay. Like, first of all, what do you think about this? Do you like this?
A little bit.
Anyways, take a look at this LED neon sign right here. Come with minimum.